Good day, viewers. Welcome to Technical Study C for Grade 9. I'm Risto Kapenda, and in today's lesson, we are going to talk about soldering. Here are the lesson objectives for today's lesson. At the end of today's lesson, you should be able to describe and distinguish between soft and hard soldering. You can already see soldering happening here behind me, and you can see how trainees are busy performing. Come with me back to the classroom. Before I start to distinguish between soft and hard soldering, I just want to make sure that you all understand what soldering means. Soldering is a process in which two pieces of metal are joined by melting a non-ferrous filler metal or solder into the joint. Soft soldering is a method of joining metals with a eutectic tin and lead alloy. Examples: copper, brass, lead, tin, etc. Whereas hard soldering, brazing, is the joining of metallic surfaces by an interposed alloy film. This type of soldering is used on metalwork to give a stronger joint. Then could be obtained by soft soldering, example, mild steel. Now that we have established what soldering is, let us differentiate between soft and hard soldering. Distinguish between soft and hard soldering. Soft soldering. A soldering iron is used. The fluxes are usually hydrochloric acid, tallow, and resin. A low temperature is used, plus minus 190 degrees Celsius. Solder has a low melting point. A weak brittle joint is formed. Hard soldering or brazing. Welding torch or blowtorch is used. The flux is usually borax in powder form. A very high temperature is used, over plus minus 500 degrees Celsius. Solder usually consists of an alloy of copper and zinc, though silver and tin can also be used. A strong joint is formed. Silver soldering or brazing provides a strong joint. Let us now describe soft and hard soldering. First application of soft and hard soldering is tinning of a soldering iron with a salt ammoniac stone or block. Salt ammonia is a rare mineral made up of ammonium chloride. It is used to clean a soldering iron before tinning the rip. Simply hold the heated tip of the soldering iron onto a block of salt ammoniac in conjunction with the soldering stick. Second application, we are looking at the reason for using fluxes. Soft soldering cannot be done without the help of fluxes. A flux is a chemical cleaning agent, flowing agent, and purifying agent. 1. Flux helps to clean the surface of the material being soldered. 2. Flux improves the flow of solder. And 3. Flux prevents oxidation or corrosion of the metal during the soldering process. There is another application of soft soldering, which is soldering medium and fluxes used. Soldering medium and fluxes used are hydrochloric acid, also known as spirit of salt, very good cleaning agent, very corrosive, used for soldering zinc, cannot be used in electrical connections. Resin flux, also called rosin flux, a mixture of organic resin acids, low melting point, used for soldering brass, copper, tin, and lead. Tallow, used as a wiping solder. A tallow candle is wiped over these joints, a natural flux for lead joints. Let us have a look at what we have learned about soft and hard soldering today. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching. From me, until next time, goodbye.